Here's a list of some important historical events that happened on May 28th. 585 BC to a solar eclipse halts a battle. On May 28, 585 BC, during a fierce battle between the Medes and the Lydians in what is now Turkey, a sudden solar eclipse darkened the sky. The unexpected event startled both armies, leading them to cease fighting and declare a truce. Remarkably, the Greek philosopher Thales had predicted this eclipse, making it one of the earliest recorded instances of such a prediction. This celestial phenomenon not only ended a war but also marked a significant moment in the history of astronomy. 1533. King Henry VIII's marriage declared valid. On May 28, 1533, Thomas Cranmer, the Archbishop of Canterbury, officially declared King Henry VIII's marriage to Anne Boleyn as valid. This decision was pivotal as it led to England's break from the Roman Catholic Church and the beginning of the English Reformation. The Pope's refusal to annul Henry's previous marriage had prompted the king to establish the Church of England, altering the religious landscape of the nation. 1830. Indian Removal Act signed into law. On May 28, 1830, U.S. President Andrew Jackson signed the Indian Removal Act, authorizing the forced relocation of Native American tribes from their ancestral lands in the southeastern United States to territories west of the Mississippi River. This policy led to the tragic Trail of Tears, during which thousands of Native Americans suffered and died during the arduous journey. The act remains a somber chapter in American history, reflecting the struggles of indigenous peoples. 1918, Armenia declares independence. On May 28, 1918, amidst the turmoil of World War I and the collapse of the Russian Empire, Armenia declared its independence, establishing the First Republic of Armenia. This marked the first modern Armenian state after centuries of foreign domination. Although short-lived, the republic laid the foundation for Armenia's national identity and is celebrated annually as Republic Day. 1934, birth of the Dionne Quintuplets. On May 28, 1934, in Ontario, Canada, Elzire Dionne gave birth to 5 identical daughters: Annette, Emily, Yvonne, Cecil, and Marie. Known as the Dionne Quintuplets, they were the first quintuplets known to survive infancy. Their birth captivated the world, leading to widespread media attention and public fascination. However, their early lives were marred by exploitation and legal battles over their custody. If you enjoyed this video, please like it and subscribe to our channel for more interesting content. Don't forget to turn on the notification bell so you never miss a new video. We'd also love to hear from you, so leave a comment below and share your thoughts. Thanks for watching.